How to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to withdraw money from your Payoneer account directly to your bank account. If you're a freelancer, remote worker, or just someone getting paid internationally, this guide will help you basically get your funds quickly and easily. I'll walk you through the entire process from logging in, linking your bank account to completing the withdrawal process. Let's jump right in. And so the first thing that we want to talk about is simply our requirements. Now, what do you need to get started? Before you begin the withdrawal process, you want to make sure that you have the following ready. First things first, you have to have a verified Payoneer account, a linked bank account in your name, personal or business. You have to have enough balance in your Payoneer account to meet the withdrawal minimums. It's going to be usually around $50. Now you then have to basically have an up-to-date bank details like the account number, bank name, SWIFT/BIC code for international accounts, or routing number for US accounts. Now, before we proceed into our step-by-step tutorial, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, once you have made sure that you have all of the requirements available, you then want to simply log in into the Payoneer website right here, or you could simply use the Payoneer application on your mobile devices. In my case, I'm going to open up my Payoneer account from the website right here. And so, right after logging in your account, you then want to add or confirm your bank account. Before you can withdraw your funds, you want to basically navigate through your bank account and it needs to be linked and approved. So from there, you then want to navigate through your dashboard right here. Click on settings. You can see your account settings inside your name right here. Click on settings, and simply once inside, you will be able to see an option to go ahead and add a bank account. Now in my case, the add bank account option is not inside this page, so I will simply see that option inside the withdrawal and convert. So just click on this button right here, and simply once inside, you then want to click on the withdraw to bank. Now, if this is your first time adding your bank account, it will then show us this screen. It will then ask us on when to withdraw. In my case, I'll click on the withdraw now option. Right after, you then want to enter the withdrawal details. So first things first, you then have to enter where you're withdrawing from. You have your USD balance, Euro balance, or GBP balance. And so right after that, you then want to choose on where you want to simply go ahead and link your bank. In my case, it's going to be this bank right here. And below that, you then have to enter the amount and the amount to deposit. Now, if you want to add another bank account into your Payoneer account, it's as simple as clicking on the Manage Bank Account options. And from here, you will be able to see all of your bank accounts. You can simply add another bank account by clicking on the Add Account option. Simply inside, you then have to enter the bank account type. It can be personal or business. And then you have to enter the bank account currency. Click on Next. Of course, you want to make sure that you have your bank country correct. And from here, it will then ask us the bank name, the account holder name, and the account number for our bank account. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any balance on my Payoneer account right here, so I cannot withdraw from my bank account. But all you have to do is to simply initiate the withdrawal after typing the amount that you want to go ahead and withdraw from your Payoneer account right here. And so, once your bank is approved, you then want to once again navigate through the page right here. You want to make sure to basically review and confirm your withdrawal. You want to double check all the details like the withdrawal amount, you have your bank account info, and lastly, you have fees and exchange rate. You then want to click return, then confirm to complete the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email from Payoneer once the request is processed. And so, how long does it usually takes? Withdrawal takes around 2 to 5 business days for international bank accounts, and it takes 1 to 3 days or business days for local bank accounts depending on the country. Processing time may vary due to banking hours, currency conversions, or bank holidays. And so, let's also talk about some fees and exchange rate. Payoneer charges a small withdrawal fee, usually around $1.50 or $1.50 to $3 for local currency withdrawal. If you're withdrawing in a different country than your balance, an exchange rate margin will go ahead and drive it up to 2% that can apply. You can see the fees on their official page. You can just search up Payoneer fees pages. From there, let's talk about canceling or editing a withdrawal. Now, you can't edit a transaction after you've confirmed it, but if you spot a mistake, you then want to contact the Payoneer support immediately. If the money hasn't left their system yet, there may be an option to stop it. And so, lastly, let's talk about some safety tips for your withdrawals on Payoneer. Once again, you always want to double check your bank details. You never use someone else's bank account. You then want to enable 2FA on your Payoneer account. You can simply do that by navigating through your account name, click on settings, and from here you then want to make sure that you enable the 2FA option. Now you then want to keep your email notifications on for every withdrawal. And in that case, if someone withdraws from your bank account or from your Payoneer account, you will then be updated on your email address. Now, these precautions help keep your funds safe and your account secure. Once again, this process is as easy as navigating through your Payoneer account, clicking on Withdraw and Convert, and from here you will be able to simply see the Withdraw to Bank option. There's also another feature called Convert Currencies. You will be able to use this if you have currencies or if you have received currencies from somewhere like USDT, Singapore dollar, and more, and you're living in a different country. And so if you want to withdraw your funds through your e-wallet, you want to make sure that you convert your funds first. And that's how you withdraw money from Payoneer to your bank account. It's easy, quick, and secure when done right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial on freelancing, online payments, and digital tools. If you got any questions, you then want to drop it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you.